In our last lecture, we have studied the new topic, that is applications of derivatives, in which first of all we have studied that meaning of the derivative, means geometrical meaning of the derivative. We have solved some examples related to exercise 4.1. So see here, in applications of derivatives, what we are going to study. First point is meaning of derivatives, that is geometrical meaning of derivative, then increasing and decreasing functions, maxima and minima, and last one is applications of derivatives to economics. Okay. Now in exercise 4.1, last time we have completed the question number 1. That means we have to find out the equation of tangent and normal to the curve at the given points on it. Means the equation of the curve is given to you and one point is given to you. Then by geometrical meaning of the derivative, we know that the dy by dx is nothing but the slope of any tangent to the curve, or it is also called as gradient at that point. Okay. So we get the slope of the tangent, and what is the meaning of normal? Normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. So as you get the slope of the slope of the tangent, then by taking the negative reciprocal of that, we get the slope of normal also. And after getting the slope of tangent and normal, we get the equation of tangent and normal by using slope point form. So that type of questions we have completed in last lecture. Now today we are going to solve the question number 2 and question number 3 from the exercise 4.1. So let us see now. Now see the question number 2, that find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x square plus 5, where the tangent is parallel to the line 4x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So see how will you solve this. So in answer, first of all I will write the given equation of curve. So curve is given, that is y is equal to x square plus 5. Now as we know that if we differentiate this with respect to x, so differentiate with respect to x, then what will you get? We get dy by dx. So take the derivative. Derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of 5 is 0. So just you will get 2x. Now we know that this is the slope of any tangent. Slope of any tangent to the curve. Okay. Now the condition on the tangent is given that the tangent is parallel to the line 4x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here I will write as tangent is parallel to the line 4x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. See, point is not given to you. One condition on the tangent is given, that tangent is parallel to this line. Now we know that if the line is given in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then you will get the slope of this line. Now what is the slope of the line? It is minus a upon b. When the line is given ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then we get the slope of the line as minus a upon b. So here first of all you find out the slope of the line, that is 4x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is, see by this formula it is minus a upon b, here it is minus 4 upon minus 1, or you can write minus 4 upon minus 1 means 4. So this is the slope of 4x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now as tangent is parallel to this line, we know that the slopes of parallel lines are equal. So we get, hence we get the slope of tangent, which is equal to 4, since tangent is parallel to the given line, because in case of parallel lines the slopes are equal. So this is also a slope of tangent. Now dy by dx means the slope of any tangent. Now we require the equation of tangent. So for that, this dy by dx is nothing but it is equal to 4. So if we compare this, then dy by dx is equal to 2x and it is also equal to 4 for that particular tangent. Now from this equation we get 2x is equal to 4, that means we get x is equal to 2. See, this is the slope of any tangent, that is dy by dx is equal to 2x, but as the tangent is parallel to that given line, so we get the slope of the tangent is equal to 4 and we equate that. So 2x is equal to 4 and hence we get x is equal to 2. Now at x is equal to 2 or when x is equal to 2, we have to find out the value of y. So now given is y is equal to x square plus 5. Now put x is equal to 2 in this equation. So what will you get? When x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to, now it is 2 square plus 5. That means 4 plus 5, that is equal to 9. So now what we have completed here? Now we have the slope of tangent. You can say it is equal to m is equal to 4, and the point on curve, that is x coordinate is 2 and for that y coordinate is 9. Okay, where the tangent is parallel to that given line. So now we require to find out the equation of tangent. Okay, so let us see now. We will use the slope point form. So we get equation of tangent. See, this is the slope and this is the point. So use the slope point form. Okay, and hence that is y minus y1, that is y minus 9 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 means 2. Now simplify this. So y minus 9 is equal to 4x minus 8. Now rearrange this equation. So we get 4x minus y 4x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this will be the equation of the tangent. Now also we require the equation of normal. Now here this is the slope of the tangent, that is m is equal to 4. So you will get the slope of normal also. Slope of normal will be minus 1 upon 4, because slope of the tangent is 4, so it is minus 1 by 4, and the point on the curve is 2 comma 9. Now again by using slope point form, you will get the equation of normal. So see here, equation of normal is equal to y minus 9 is equal to minus 1 by 4 into x minus 2. Now multiply both sides by 4. We get 4y minus 36 is equal to, here you multiply by minus 1, so we get minus x plus 2. Okay. Now rearrange this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here we get x plus 4y minus 38 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of normal by using slope point form. Okay. So see this carefully how to solve this type of question. Okay. So see here again. Okay. Now see the question number 3. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to 3x square minus 3x minus 5, where the tangent is parallel to the line 3x minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. Again same type of question is given. So let us see the answer. First of all, write down the given equation of the curve, that is y is equal to 3x square minus 3x minus 5, and differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x, then you will get dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to, now see here, derivative of 3x square, 3 as it is, derivative of x square is 2x, so it is 6x, then this is minus 3. So we get the slope of any tangent to that given curve. Okay. Now the tangent is parallel to this line, that is 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So first of all I will find out the slope of the given line. So slope of 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is, by that rule, it is minus a upon b. So here it is minus 3 upon minus 1, that is equal to plus 3. Now as the tangent is parallel to this line, as tangent is parallel to 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, we can write the slope of tangent is equal to 3. Okay. So we get the slope of the tangent. Now simultaneously you find out the slope of normal also. So if the slope of the tangent is 3, then slope of the normal will be minus 1 upon 3. Okay. Now as we know that slope of parallel lines are equal, so from given this 6x minus 3 must be equal to 3. Okay, by which we get 6x is equal to 6, and hence we get x is equal to 1. So that tangent at which the tangent is parallel to the 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, we get the point x coordinate of that point, that is x is equal to 1. Now if you put the value of x is equal to 1 in that y is equal to 3x square minus 3x minus 5, you will get value of y. So when x is equal to 1, you have to find out value of y. So y is equal to 3 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 5. So it gives y is equal to, see here, 3 minus 3 minus 5, that implies y is equal to minus 5. So the point on the curve is, so point on curve is 1 comma minus 5, where the tangent is parallel to given line, that is 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. That means we have to find out the equation of tangent at this point 1 comma minus 5. So now again by slope point form we will write the equation of tangent. So equation of tangent will be, see, y minus y1, so y minus 5 is equal to m. M means slope of the tangent. Now this is the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is 3. So 3 into x minus x1. Now modify this. We get y plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 3. And hence we get 3x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent at this point. Similarly, find out the equation of normal by using slope point form. So equation of normal is, see here, y minus y1 is equal to m. Now slope of the normal is minus 1 by 3 into x minus x1. So that gives y plus 5 is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x minus 1. Now multiply both sides by 3. You will get 3y plus 15 is equal to minus x plus 1. Okay. Now modify this. So we get x plus 3y minus 14 is equal to 0. See this. So this will be the equation of normal at this point, at the point 1 comma minus 5. So here the condition on the tangent is given differently. Tangent is given which is parallel to the given line. So solve such type of questions related to this exercise. Okay. See here again carefully. Thank you.